Hello everyone, in this tutorial we will see how to configure a remote connection on a Linux instance that are hosted on Google Cloud Platform. Before we start, I recommend that you install in your Windows machine two small softwares. The first one is the ConEmu. It's a Windows terminal, very useful. And the second one is the host file editor. The host file editor will allow you to edit the host file in your Windows machine. Okay, so the first step, go to the Google Cloud Console dashboard, go to the left panel and Computer Engine VM instance. Okay, we have here our VM instance, bcloud native dev. We created this VM instance in my last tutorial. We will start this VM now. Let's confirm. Okay, the VM is start. Let's increase a little bit the font here. Okay, the VM is start. We have here one external IP. Let's perform a ping in this IP to see if we can reach the address. So let's test the command ping. That's okay, we have a reply. So this means that our VM instance is reachable over the internet. Now it's time to configure your host file in the Windows machine to not use the IP directly. Let's use a host name that we are defined now to access this remote machine. So let's go to the host file editor here. Let's download the portable version. Okay, the zip file here is here. And start the host file editor here. This is the interface. So what we'll do now is copy this IP and add it here. Let's give you a host name for this machine. I will call of bcloud native dev. Okay, let's check the box and save the file. We can close this now, and now we can check if we can reach our machine using the host name that we give now. So let's perform a ping bcloud native dev. Oh, that's okay. It's responding. It's responding for the same IP that we configured right now. Awesome. Now it's time to generate the public and private key. Let's perform a command here. Okay, this command will generate two files. One file will be composed of the private key and another to the public key. Let's confirm it with yes. Just type enter, enter, and it's done. Here's the output. Let's navigate for the folder where the file was created. Okay, we can see two files. The first one is related to the private key, and another one is the public key. Okay, now it's time to configure your remote machine to accept the connection. Let's go to our remote machine, click on Edit, and scroll down. Click in Show and Edit on the SSJ key, and inside this box we'll paste the public key. Let's go back to the folder where our keys are located and open the public key. This is the content of the file. Let's select all the contents, copy, and paste inside the box. This is the user that you use to connect. Click on Save. And now it's time to test the connection. Let's go back to the terminal and perform a command to do a remote connection. Here is the file that is our private key, the username, and the host name or the IP address. Okay, let's confirm. And it's done. We are now in our remote machine. This is the machine that are hosted in the Google Cloud Platform. This means that everything's work as expected. Thank you.